Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. So what I'm showing you here is just a trade that I took on the 10th of January. You'll see right here on the one side of the screen that I just have a screen recording of me when I was entering the trade at the time. So I entered right here on this candle, practically the close of the 530 candle. What you can see is that price was pushing upwards really strong right here, pushing higher and breaking these levels, right? Then we had a moment of pause, right, where price didn't actually make any kind of headway. It just kind of stopped and it consolidated just a little bit, right? And when I actually entered this candle was a lot bigger. It was a little bit more bullish, but after I entered, it kind of dropped a little bit, which is perfectly fine. That happens around the markets. But this is what I was seeing, right? If I can take this out. Our Tenkan Sen is above our Kijun Sen, right? So that's a bullish signal. Our Kumo cloud is green, another bullish signal, and our Chico span is above price. You can see it's here. And then here's price. It's above price. Those are all bullish signals. And then again, the entry candle was that we paused for a little bit. And then we kind of had a strong, well, at the time that I entered, we had a very strong kind of a bullish candle, something along those lines. That is my entry candle. That tells me I should definitely get into the market. So if you watch what happened here, price kind of shot up a little bit. Then it came down. It came down. And these type of things happen in the market. Sometimes you enter and price doesn't even go your way. But let's just see what happened afterwards. Price practically fell. Guys, it tanked. Now, this is when you should be very grateful for having a stop loss, right? Sometimes what the market can do is come down, knock us out, and then push right back up, right? And in those moments you feel terrible. You're like, oh, my strategy doesn't work, something is wrong with me, maybe I didn't enter properly, and we really start to question our strategy, right? But in these moments you should remember that we place our stop loss for a reason. Okay, our stop loss is there for a reason. It's there to protect us. And right now it did some very serious protecting. Imagine if I didn't put a stop loss and price practically tanked all the way here. I would have been very upset. So right now my stop loss was my friend. It stopped me from being in a very bad trade that practically fell. I wonder if anyone actually took advantage of this opportunity, but you can see this was just a quick loss that I took on the 10th of January. I lost about $7, which is just a little bit above 1% of my overall trading account. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next trading update.